Hello everyone, welcome back on Printed Cut. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your working table because it's have been many times a problem to positionate your engraving material in a proper way, or if you want to make it in a middle or any kind of repeating engravings. And yes, this will be short video and really useful for engravers. And yes, keep watching the video and you will see how it should be done. Okay guys, so today we will use our Ortur Laser Master 2 S2 version, which is really common used. And we will use this working desk, table, call it whatever you want, for engraving. And yes, you can see I have been a little bit messed up before, but it's pretty fine. It's working table. So yes, let's begin. Okay guys, so now we are in Lightburn software and we need to press on a square. And we need to focus on these values X and Y. We need to follow them and put your mouse straight on X10 and Y410. And now let's drag the square down till the position of X300 and Y10. Okay, when this is done, we need to take a pencil and make your first line up, from the up to the down. Position it to the values of X20 and drag it till the end, or till the bottom. Then we need to press escape because it will follow, the line will follow your mouse. And now we need to do the same in a horizontal line. It will have automatic layering which will overlay on gray grids, so it makes it easy for you. After this, I put on selection, open array grid or grid array, call it whatever, and we need to change this value of 10 and start to make lines, duplicate the lines. And yeah, kinda easy process actually, if you know what you're doing. And now you need to do the same with a horizontal line. Open again grid array, change this value to 10, and now let's duplicate it in an easy way. Yeah, let's keep moving up. Okay, now we check if it's overlaying really good on a gray lines, and it looks like it's really fine. And after this is done, you can add also the center on your grid. In my case, it should be somewhere here in the middle. With the Ortur 2S2 version, it will be here, yeah. And you can make squares top, down, right, left, right. But I don't need these squares, I will do it without them. We can frame it and start to engrave. And like always, remember to ventilate the space where you are engraving and use all safety measures. Okay, let's start. Okay, so when your engraving area is done, you can, in my case, I will just use a pen and make marks where is the legs of the engraver. And yes, there is the grid. And when I put laser back, put right in position. Yes, it's pretty much the same. Okay guys, I really hope that you now know how to make your working table look more professional, and you can even upgrade it more. You can make a middle lines, vertical, middle lines, horizontal, center, write a text to each square where you engrave each part, or I don't know, your engravings. And yes, plenty of other things which you can invent to your table. And remember, this engraving was done with the Ortur Laser Master 2S2, which you can order on our webpage printedcut.com. And yeah, like I said, this will be a short video, and I hope it was really useful for you, and see you in the next ones. So far, bye. Have a great day.